In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the beginning balance in QuickBooks Online. Now, let's dive right into the process. First things first, if you're not already a QuickBooks user, make sure to sign up and create an account. However, if you have a QuickBooks account, you'll need to sign in. Navigate to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page, enter your credentials, and click on Continue to log into your account. Once you're signed in, choose the company file that you want to work with to ensure you're adjusting the correct account. After accessing your company file, head over to the accounting section. This is where you'll begin the process of adjusting your opening balance. To do this, click on Chart of Accounts. Here, you'll find a list of all your existing accounts. Review this section closely, as it's crucial to identify your account's current balance and transaction history. Click on the account name to open the account register. What you're looking for here is the original opening balance entry that might need correction. Take note of any discrepancies you see in terms of the amount listed. Next, within the account register, look for transactions labeled as opening balance or beginning balance. This should usually appear at the start of the account's activity and is marked with a specific date and amount. Once you find this, make a note of the details because you'll need them for the adjustment. Now it's time to create a journal entry to correct any inconsistencies. In the top menu, click on the plus button and select Journal Entry. This opens up a form where you can input the details for your adjustment. Make sure to enter the current date or the specific date you want the adjustment to come into effect. When adjusting the balance, use this rule. If you need to increase the balance, you'll debit the account and credit opening balance equity. Conversely, if you are decreasing the balance, credit the account and debit opening balance equity. Once you've filled out the journal entry fields accurately, click Save and Close. This action will post the journal entry to your account and adjust the balance as necessary. Finally, go back to the chart of accounts to verify that the balance now reflects the correct adjusted amount. By following these steps carefully, you can ensure your opening balances are accurate, setting the foundation for reliable financial reporting within QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in your QuickBooks journey.